Hello all, in today's video we are going to discussing the top most 30 questions from biology section in Neet 2020. The first question is, which of the following is not an attribute of population? And the options are sex ratio, natality, mortality and species interaction. And the correct answer is option 4, species interaction. Question number 2. The process of growth is maximum during. And the options are log phase, lag phase, senescence and dormancy. And the right answer is log phase. Next question. The root that originate from the base of the stem are. The options are fibrous roots, primary roots, prop root and lateral roots. The correct answer is fibrous root. The next question is a match the following. And the question is, match the following diseases with the causative organism and select the correct option. And the answer should be like option 2, that is typhoid. The answer should be salmonella, pneumonia, hemophilus, filariasis, wucheria and malaria, plasmodium. So the correct option is option 2. Next question. In which of the following technique the embryos are transferred to assist those female who cannot conceive? And the right answer is option A, ZIFT and IUT, zygote intra-fallopian transfer and intrauterine transfer. Next question is, identify the wrong statement with reference to the gene I that control ABO blood group. And the options are option A, the gene I has 3 alleles. Option B, a person will have only 2 of the 3 alleles. And option C, when IA and IB are present together, they express the same type of sugar. And option B, allele I does not produce any sugar. And the right answer from this option is third one, option C. That is, when IA and IB are present together, they express same type of sugar is a wrong statement. Next question is, choose the correct pair from the following. And from this, the correct answer is option A, that is ligases. Ligases are usually used to join the 2 DNA molecules. Next question, select the correct match. From this, the correct match is sickle cell anemia, that is option C. It is the autosomal recessive trait of chromosome number 11. The ninth question is, match the following column and select the correct option. And the correct answer should be option 2. That is, gregarious polyphagous pest should be Locusta. Adult with radial symmetry and larva with bilateral symmetries, Asterias. The book lungs having organism is Scorpion, and the bioluminescence producing organism is Tinoplana. So the correct option is second one. The next question is, the infectious stage of Plasmodium that enter the human body is. Option 1, trophozoite, sporozoite, female gametocytes and male gametocytes. The correct answer is option B, sporozoite. Next question, identify the substance having glycosidic bond and peptide bond respectively in their structure. And the options are chitin, cholesterol, glycerol, trypsin, cellulose, lecithin, and inulin and insulin. From this, the correct answer is option 4, inulin and insulin. The next question is, the plant part which consists of 2 generations, that is one within the other, is dash. And we have 4 options, and the correct answer from these is option 4, A and D. That is, pollen grains within the anther and the embryo sac inside the ovule are the two answers of this question. So the correct option is option D, A and D. Next question, the product of reaction catalyzed by nitrogenous in root nodules of leguminous plants are. Options are ammonia alone, nitrate alone, ammonia and oxygen, ammonia and hydrogen. And from this, the correct option is ammonia and hydrogen. Fourteenth question is, identify the correct statement with regard to G1 phase of interphase. And the options are DNA synthesis or replication takes place. Option B, reorganization of all cell components takes place. Option C, cell is metabolically active, grow but does not replicate its DNA. And option 4, nuclear division does not take place. Nuclear division takes place. And from this, the correct answer is option B, reorganization of all cell component takes place. 15th question is, cuboidal epithelium with a brush border of microvilli is found in. The options are lining of intestine, duct of salivary glands, proximal convoluted tubule of nephron, and eustachian tube. From these, the correct option is, of course, option C, proximal convoluted tubule of nephron. The 16th question is, which of the following statement about inclusion body is incorrect? And the options are, they are not bound by any membrane. These are involved in the ingestion of food particles. They lie free in the cytoplasm, and these represent reserve material in the cytoplasm. And the correct option is option B. These are involved in ingestion of food particles. It is a wrong or incorrect statement regarding inclusion body. And the 17th question is, which is the important site of formation of glycoprotein and glycolipid in eukaryotic cell? Options are endoplasmic reticulum, peroxisomes, Golgi body, and polysomes. And the correct option is Golgi bodies, option C. 18th question is, in gel electrophoresis, separated DNA fragment can be visualized with the help of. It is the most important question as well, and the correct option is option B, ethidium bromide in UV radiation. Next question, identify the wrong statement with reference to transport of oxygen. And the correct option is option C, higher H+ concentration in alveoli favors the formation of oxyhemoglobin. The 20th question is, ray florets have, and the options are inferior ovary, superior ovary, hypogynous ovary, or half inferior ovary. And the correct answer is option A, inferior ovary. Next question, the specific palindromic sequence which is recognized by EcoRI is. And the correct option is option A. 22nd question, identify the wrong statement with regard to restriction enzymes. From this, the correct option is option number 4. Sticky ends can be joined by using DNA ligases. Next question, which of the following is put into anaerobic sludge digester for further sewage treatment? And the options are primary sludge, floating debris, effluents of primary treatment, and activated sludge. From this, the right option is option D, activated sludge. Next question, select the correct event that occurred during inspiration. And the options are contraction of diaphragm, contraction of external intercostal muscles, pulmonary volume decreases, intrapulmonary pressure increases. From this, the correct answer is option number 1, A and B, that is contraction of diaphragm and contraction of external intercostal muscles are the events that occur during inspiration. Next is, if the head of the cockroach is removed, it may live for a few days because, as we know, this correct answer of the question is option number C. The head holds a small proportion of nervous system while the rest is situated along the ventral part of its body. The 26th question is, which of the following statements are true for the phylum Chordata? And the options are, in Urochordata, notochord extend from head to tail and is present throughout their life. Next option, in Vertebrata, notochord is present during the embryonic period only. Central nervous system is dorsal and hollow. Chordata is divided into 3 subphylum: Hemichordata, Tunicata and Cephalochordata. From this, the correct answer is option 4, B and C. B and C is the right one. Next is a match the following question. Match the organism with its use in biotechnology. And the correct answer from this is option number 2. That is, Bacillus thuringiensis is a protein. Thermus aquaticus is a DNA polymerase. Agrobacterium tumefaciens is a cloning vector, and Salmonella typhimurium is a used for the construction of first rDNA molecule. 28th question, match the following concerning essential elements and their function in plants. And the correct option is option number 3. That is, iron is required for the chlorophyll biosynthesis, zinc for IAA biosynthesis, boron for pollen germination, and manganese for the photolysis of water. 29th question, identify the incorrect statement. From this, the correct option is option number C. Sapwood is the innermost secondary xylem and is lighter in color is the right answer. Next is the match the following. From this, the correct option is option number 1. That is, inhibitor of catalytic activity is a malonate, and the possessed peptide bond is ricin, and the cell wall material in the fungi is chitin, and the secondary metabolite is of course collagen.